Woodworkers, whether seasoned artisans or passionate hobbyists, have a unique connection to their tools and machinery, machines which have shaped the craft every step of the way. Spanning more than a century of relentless innovation, an era where the pulse of progress resonated through every workshop, from sprawling industrial concerns to the classic American two-car garage. Now there's a shop that brings this appreciation to life through a collection of shirts featuring iconic emblems from the finest makers of woodworking machines over the 20th century. Striking designs tip their hat to these titans of the machine and tool industry. DeWalt, Delta, Rockwell, Walker Turner, Oliver, almost too many to mention. Craftsmanship and style come together in a thoroughly modern line of iconic shirts and hats, adorned with the familiar emblems of yesteryear. Shirts and hats showing off the finest makes and brands, spanning more than a century of machinery. Cut a shape with these stylish modern designs. Available exclusively from the name you know. That's Mr. Sawdust, of course.